The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings and respect to each and everyone. Now, right about now, I have two videos to show you, my viewers and subscribers. One video is going to show of a dog that is at the back of a motorcycle. The dog is behind the motorcyclist, right? And the other video is going to show of a man that is on a donkey, and the man on the donkey is at a gas station, right? Now, what the man on the donkey do at the gas station seems to be found funny by some persons on social media, while some people don't find it funny at all. Alright? In my point of view, I don't think anyone should try something like this at home, you know. Do not try it at all. Alright? Alright. Now I'm going to show you the first video right about now, which is the dog that is on the back of the motorcycle. You see what I'm saying to you? That means the dog is behind the motorcyclist while the motorcycle is in motion, it is moving. And what had happened in this video, you know, I am not here to upset anyone, so just in case if anyone don't like to see videos like this, you know, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, so here's the first video, the dog on the back of the motorcycle. It's a very short video. Alright, take a look and observe.
Dog, boy, see me, boss.
Alright viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the video showing of the dog on the back of the motorcycle that is behind the motorcyclist, you know. We don't even know if he's on the pillion seat exactly. And again, I don't think anyone should try something like this at home. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to show you now is of the man that is on a donkey, and the man on the donkey is at a gas station, you know. And actually I'm going to leave that video with you, you know what I mean? And what the man and the donkey were at the gas station and what they were doing seems to be somewhat funny on social media. Alright, now I am going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you will have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. And please bear in mind that this video is a short video as well. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video. Observe.
Sasha, pushing that. Pushing that donkey, Sasha. Sasha. Pull up the donkey now, Sasha. Pull up the tank, Sasha.